Put your legs away from you and pull the raft and start walking up. And the raft's going to come.
1, 2, 3.
Back on.
Permanently, just do it. Why not?
Ish. Yeah, do it.
Do we need that? A quick look. All right, so it's spinning this way, right? You're gonna hold it this way, right? Okay.
All right.
So one hand here, switch there, right? Okay.
Okay, here's a, you can hold on to this if you can reach that.
Can you find this with your foot? What I would say is the best thing for you to do is turn them around.
Okay, let's turn you around.
Use a smaller pin to drive this out, and your same size pin is in there. What's gonna happen?
You've got a new
That will get stuck there. This is like, go buy a cotter pin puller. And you go, Jonathan, what's this magical tool of which you speak?
Other flares of the same manufacturer, their trigger end is this end and the hot end's this end. So if you rely on looking at a trigger, you're going to shoot yourself in the stomach. It's going to be really hard now to really do anything.
These are automatic, sometimes also manual. Should have an engine shut-off module tied into it. Very often don't.
There you go. We're good. We're done. We're done.
Same time.